Hey guys, what's up? It's Kristen. Today I have a Trendsend unboxing for you. So if you like these kind of unboxings, just stay tuned. Hey guys, so today I have a Trendsend unboxing for you. I have a code down below. If you look in the subscription box, hit that little bell here on the side where you can get notifications when I upload videos. I upload a couple days a week. I do mostly unboxings, but also some product reviews, etc. So in the Trendsend box, you get 3 bundles, and you also get your return mailer as well as your price sheets. So let's get into the first look. The first item we have here is, let me see, is this top, this blue off-the-shoulder top. It has some bell sleeves. And it looks like there's a little like gathering elastic band here. I like the top, but I'm not sure about the elastic band. It's really cute. So this one is the Ever Eve Allison Joy color royal size extra small leg off the shoulder top. And it was $68. It's down to $54.99. Then they have that paired with these AG is the Isabella high-rise straight leg crop in a size 24. And here it is. These are cute. So let's find the price. It's on the leg. And this is... They were $198, marked down to $149, marked down to $29.99, marked down to $89.99 to $69.99. So these are more than half off, so we'll try those on. Super excited to try these. Let me bring it guys down a little bit. There we go. All right, so next top we have is this blue top. It looks like it has bell at the bottom and some ties on the side. It's really cute, and it looks like it's quite low on the side. So we'll see how this looks. It's on sale. It's the Ever Eve Splendid Tiered Tank Top. It was $48.99 and it's down to $39.99. Okay, next is this tank, blue and some stripes. It looks like there are red and white stripes in there. And this is the Allison Joy Marissa Rib Tank in a size extra small, and it's $48. Okay, that was the first outfit. Okay, the next outfit is, looks like a dress. Let me stand up and show you guys. It has, looks like some string here. It's a tank dress, and it flares out at the bottom. And this is on sale as well, and it's the Ever Eve Press Monroe V neck dress. It was $68, down to $49, down to $39.99. It's cute. And then they paired it with this jean jacket, and it has some fraying at the bottom. And this is cut from the cloth. This is the released hem denim jacket. It's $89. There you go. You can see all that in the hem. So that's the second outfit. Then we have this, looks like a off the shoulder long maxi. I like the bottom of this. It's really cute. It has some cutouts. I'm not sure if it's on both sides. Yep, on both sides. It's really pretty. There you go. And this is the Ever Eve Allison Joy Navy Extra Small Chloe Strapless Maxi, and it's $88. Okay. And the next item, and the last item in the box is, it looks like an off the shoulder, which it has this top, I guess this white stitching at the top. Then it has it at the waist. And this is a jumpsuit. So this would be interesting to try. It's got like wide legs at the bottom. And then let's see what this is called and the price. It's the Brave Amara strapless jumpsuit. And it says black and NAT. I don't know what that means, but it's black and white and it's $88. Okay guys, so I'm gonna do my try on of these items. So just stay tuned, keep on watching. So the first item I have on is this top. It's really cute. I like how it gathers here at the sleeves. And then it's like kind of longer. It has the off the shoulder right here. And it's really cute. And it kind of like lays really nice. This top is really adorable. I love the color, little dots on it. So we'll have to see. Okay, the next item I have is, let's pull this down so you can see, are these jeans. These capris, they fit really nice. They're very comfortable. They're stretchy. I rolled the one up at the bottom, and then I kept the one longer. I'm really short, so I would have to roll these up if I decide to keep them. They're really comfortable. For the price, it's not that bad. So we'll see if I decide to keep these. Okay, next is this top. It has the ties on the side, and it has like this flounciness, and it's cut kind of low though. So I'm not really sure how I feel about it. I mean, it's cute. I like the colors and everything, but we'll have to see. I'm not really sure. I don't really like this that much. Okay, so here's this tank. It's really cute. I really like the little lines here. It fits really nice. It actually goes really cute with these capris, but it's $48. I can probably find this somewhere else a lot cheaper. It's really cute though. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna keep or not. It's adorable though. Okay guys, so next is this dress that's sent over to me. It's a little big and baggy in all these areas here. I like how it's cut though, right here. I like that cut. They also paired it with this jean jacket cut from the cloth. So we'll see how this looks. I'm usually an extra small, so I'm not sure how this is gonna fit. Yeah, it's a little big. It's a little big. It's really comfortable, it's cute. It's a cute outfit, but this jacket's way too big for me. I like how it's rolled up at the sleeves. It's very comfortable and soft. I like how the hem is cut here. So here's the jacket. So this is the next outfit. Then I have 2 more items for you guys. Okay guys, so here's the maxi dress. I really like the bottom, the top not so much. If it was more like cinched at the waist, I would really like this, but I feel like I'm constantly pulling this up because it's falling down. So here it is. I don't know. Let me guys know in the box below what you think. Okay, so here's the last item. This is a definite no. The waist is here, and then this is like right here. It's just this huge. I mean, it's really pretty from like here up, but the rest is definitely a no. It just does not fit me good at all. So I'm gonna let you guys know my final thoughts, so stay tuned. Hey guys, so my final thoughts on this box, it was a complete miss for me. There was nothing in there that was worth me paying $50, $40, $60 for. So unfortunately, I'm not probably going to keep anything. I'll have to try for next box. There's no real color in this. I'm looking for brighter colors, like this coral color I got from Stitch Fix, this top. Just stuff like that. It's just nothing really hit the mark. It was all dark and blacks and blues, no yellows, no corals, no pinks, no purples, nothing. It just wasn't for me. So thank you guys for watching. Bye.